Hello folks, my name is Kushal Sonawat and I am a founding engineer at Future AGI. Future AGI is an AI tools company that helps you build AI agents at a very fast pace and helps you make them more reliable. And the best part, it's completely open source. So in this video, I'll be covering how do you install the self-hosted version of Future AGI onto your systems. Before we proceed, there are a few prerequisites that I would like to mention. It is recommended that you have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM onto your systems. For users on Mac or Linux environment, you can install them directly using your ZSH or Bash terminals. For users on Windows, it is recommended that you have Git Bash or WSL for installing the Future AGI self-hosted version. The PowerShell script for installing Future AGI self-hosted version is in pipeline and shall be live on the repository soon. Now moving on to the technical prerequisites, Docker and Docker Compose are mandatory to be required onto your systems. If Docker desktop feels too heavy, you can use Colima with Lazy Docker as an alternative. It is a lightweight alternative, and I personally use that in my systems as well. Now we'll move on to the installation of the self-hosted version. You can achieve that in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, we find the public repository of Future AGI. So let's head on to Google. Public repo. Yeah, I'm on the public repository. What you can do is click on code and copy this URL. And now I'll head over to my desired location and clone this repository over there. In my system, there is a core folder that's present on the desktop. So I'll change my directory into that and clone it over there. Yep, I'm in the directory. I'll type git clone. The cloning is now complete. Now let me check the status of Column. Yep, it's up and running. That completes your step 1 of installation. You have successfully cloned the Future AGI repository into your desired location. There is an install script present into the repository itself. So next step would be hitting bin/install. Oh, I forgot to change into the Future AGI directory. Bin/install. This script has started and it has started pulling all the images and checking all the host ports and configured your env. You have to type in your email, make sure it's your work email, otherwise it will get rejected. I'll type a dummy work email for me, my name and the password. So now the containers are starting to get created, and once the backend is healthy, we'll head on to the port that is mentioned in the setup. Okay, so the backend is up and we'll head over to localhost 3000 as instructed. You can also configure this URL in your .env file. So let's head over to localhost 3000. Yep. I'll put in the credentials that I've configured, user at Future AGI, and the password. I'll continue. And congratulations, you have successfully installed the self-hosted version of Future AGI. That completes the setup. Just one last step before we reach the end of this video. You head back to github.com and you start this repository. It's a mandatory step, don't forget guys. So that's it, and thank you guys.